Case and citation, the people of the Philippines as Pueyo alias the Flong. Facts of the case. A 6-year-old minor was being raped by Pueyo, who was charged with the crime of violation of the Section 10 RA 7610. Pueyo was charged. She called Tito Flor. The latter lived in Parañaque City. On November 4, 1997, when AA was playing with the young brother with other playmaker, Pueyo told when the climbed down in the bulldozer. When AA did not comply, poke a welding rod onto her genital area. AAA didn't tell her mother. However, B noticed blood in AAA vagina when the former brother, the latter, B thus brought AA to Dr. Ramos' clinic. Dr. Ramos, that child had a bleeding sound on her vagina. Number 2 pala yon. Yung 1 pala case and citation. Yung 2 facts of the case. Yung 3 naman issue whether or not in the affirming judgment of the RTC on the ground that his conviction is erroneous and without basis when Pueyo denial failed to overcome to clear declaration of A, who is victim and witness at tender age, that trait Pueyo inflicted physical injury upon her. Yung 4th naman is court ruling. The Supreme Court ruled that Pueyo's care constitute child abuse as contemplated in Section 10 of RA 7610, which require the following elements: A, minority; 2, the acts of constituting physical abuse committed by Pueyo against A; and 3, the fact of the said acts are clearly punishable under Republic Act 7610, especially under Section 3